Hello everyone, we display different types of data in Power BI reports. Some data, such as PII, sales etc. are very sensitive. It should only be accessible by people with clearance to view the data. To secure such data in Power BI, we use an approach called RLS, which stands for Row-Level Security. With the RLS approach, users can only see data if they have the appropriate access level. RLS is not required for live connected models, such as tabular or cube model, but it is required for direct query data models. Let's look at how to configure RLS in our report. Here, we are going to use one fact table, the geography dimension, and a bridge table which contains mapping for user alias and geography keys. Note, all the data displayed here is from a sample dataset. Open the Power BI desktop. Import the sample data. Click on Modeling. Click on Manage Roles. Create new role. Click on Geo and provide the DAX filter expression. Create another role for worldwide users. Click on Save. Now we have configured RLS on the report. Let's see how RLS works for users with limited access. Click on View as Roles under Modeling. Select Other User, Geo Roles. Enter the alias for a user who only has access to one geography. The report will only display data to which the user has access. Now let's see what happens when a user has worldwide access. Click on View as Roles under Modeling. Select Other User, Geo Roles. Enter the alias for a user who has worldwide access. The report will display all data. Publish the report and verify whether it's working as expected. Go to Datasets under the workspace. Click on Security in the Options menu. Users can only see the data if the report is shared with them. To provide access to a user, add a user to the Geo group and click on Save. Click on Test as Role in Geo group. Provide an alias for a user who has access to only one geography. The report will display the data for which the user has access. Provide an alias for a user who has worldwide access. All the data will be displayed. Provide a user alias who has access to some geography, but no access to the report. No data will be displayed because the report is not shared with the user. If you select Worldwide, all the data will be shown. This is how RLS is implemented. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions about this implementation or need a similar business solution, feel free to contact MAQ Software.